Reducing food waste is an easy way to cut costs and maximize profit. With Seal and Pack's vacuum packaging machine, food storage takes just seconds. Sealing and vacuuming a wide range of products for better shelf life. Our machine offers a complete stainless steel machine for long-lasting use in a commercial environment. Our vacuum sealer model features a 260 mm long seal bar and an 8 mm wide sealing width. This vacuum packaging machine offers a 0 to 10 seconds seal time and a 0 to 99 seconds vacuum time. That means in just under 1 minute a full bag of product is sealed airtight for easy extended storage. Plus, a transparent lid allows for visibility, giving the operator the ability to watch the sealing process in real time. This vacuum machine is designed for easy operation with a bright LED display. There is no need for any assembling. The machine just needs to be plugged in and it is ready to use. The display features a traditional analog gauge and a one-touch set button. This set button allows the operator to easily increase or decrease the vacuum, seal, and cooling time. The cooling time is needed to cool the seal for a better sealing quality. Now let's see how to increase your product's shelf life by using this machine. To start the machine, you need to attach the main power cable to the machine and turn on the power switch. In this video we have shown various examples of food products that can be vacuumed. To start the process, you need to first take an empty bag and fill your products inside the bag. If the bag has a zipper, then make sure to keep it slightly open so that the machine can suck the air out of it. Then place the bag in the chamber. Make sure the sealing area of the bag is above the tear notch so that your customer can easily open the bag. Now you can close the chamber. After that, you need to set the vacuum, sealing, and cooling time of the machine. You can keep the vacuum time between 25 to 40 seconds and check whether it is suitable for your product or not. The sealing time depends on the thickness of the bag. If the bag is thin, 1 to 1.5 seconds should be enough. If the bag is thick, you need to increase it to 1.6 to 3 seconds. After the timings are set, press the lid, and click on the start button to initiate the vacuum process. Once the process is completed, your bags would be vacuumed. Here are few other examples of different products which you can vacuum. There are many benefits of vacuuming nuts. First of all, it helps to increase the shelf life of the product. Secondly, the freshness of the product would remain intact as there won't be any oxidation process. Third, nuts are light in weight, and it breaks easily during transportation. Thus, vacuuming would solve that problem and the end consumer would receive a good quality product. Lastly, vacuuming your products looks more premium and artisan. There is a high chance that customers would buy your product instead of other non-vacuumed products from the market. Papad and Khakra are some of the most vacuumed products in India currently. The main problem businesses face is the breakage of their products during transport. Vacuuming these products makes sure that there is no breakage, and the product remains intact till it reaches the end consumer. If you are vacuuming paneer, make sure that the inner side of the pouch where the sealing would happen is not wet, or else the pouch would not seal. Sometimes, while filling paneer inside the bag, it might get wet, thus make sure the sealing area inside is dry. If you are packing salsa, paste, dips or pickle in small glass bottles, you can use this machine to vacuum the same and increase the shelf life of your product. Simply fill your product into the glass bottle. Slightly close the bottle cap. Do not tighten the cap or else the product would not be vacuumed. Then, set the vacuum time. Sealing and cooling time would be 0. At the end of the vacuum process, the cap will automatically be sealed tight. If you are packing olives with the help of a vacuum machine, make sure to decrease the vacuum time, so that the olives would not get squished during the process. In the last few years, rice industry has grown significantly. There are so many gourmet businesses that are selling artisan rice. That is why Seal and Pack have come up with an innovative solution for rice packaging. We can custom make molds like the one shown in the video, based on your pouch size. This will help the bag to form that shape while it is vacuumed. First of all, fill your rice into the pouch. Then place that pouch into the mold, do all the settings, and then start the vacuum process. Once the pouch is vacuumed, remove it from the mold and you would get a perfectly shaped rice bag. All the pumps are built for over 200,000 cycles, ensuring outstanding longevity, which is great for high volume operations. The packaged product can prevent oxidation, mildew, insects, rotting, and dampness. Your product shelf life easily increases by 3 to 4 times. If your business is interested in saving money, preventing food spoilage, or increasing the shelf life of your products, then Seal and Pack's vacuum packaging machine is a perfect fit.